In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change iPhone 16e wallpaper. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the wallpaper for your iPhone 16e or any other model. The process is going to be exactly the same, so even if you have a different model like the standard iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro Max, you can follow along. You can choose a picture from your gallery, choose one of the presets, you can choose an animated wallpaper, and all of this can be managed by heading over to these settings. Inside of the settings of your device, go into the wallpaper category. So you will be able to customize your wallpaper by choosing this option. It is going to be above notifications. So look for wallpaper. Inside of the wallpaper category, you will be able to see various different presets. So these are essentially profiles that you can save and quickly swipe to the left or to the right to switch between them. You can customize the lock screen and the home screen individually. If you want to create a new profile altogether, go to the option to add new wallpaper. If you simply want to customize a pre-existing one, choose the option below the lock screen or the home screen. Now, you will be able to add a new wallpaper here, so you can choose from photos, people, you can choose a photo album, a shuffle, emoji, and so on. There's a lot of customization options. I'm not going to cover all of them. You can choose according to your preferences, and you will be able to review all of them. You can use animated ones that will change depending on some circumstances like this one, live weather and astronomical conditions for your current location. So there's a lot of things to explore. And like I said before, you can save presets and easily swap between them according to what suits your mood. You can do various different photos at once, which will randomly switch throughout the day, and it is a nice way to always keep your iPhone 16e feeling fresh. You can change it by simply heading over to the wallpaper settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to change iPhone 16e wallpaper. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.